Hello, and welcome. My name is Robin, and this is my channel. If I sound excited, it is because I am. Did that come out right? Anyway, I have a new subscription box to my channel. It is Lovely Things box, and I can't wait to see what's in it. So if you're new to my channel, you picked a good time to stop by. If you like this channel and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, you guys came at a good time because I have this great new box and I bet you're gonna like it as well. So let's get into it. You'll see the price and going across the bottom, and I'll have a link below. So if it's something you're interested in and you want to order it or view it on your channel, go right ahead. So of course, I do have a scissors, but I didn't open this box. This is a lifestyle box, and I saw it on somebody's channel. I want to say it was Hi Noel's channel. She boxes so many different types of boxes. So I always, when I watch her channel, I have to have a pen and paper to write down what it is, the name of the box, and if she's got a discount coupon code and everything. And so they did say, because this is the October box, they were going to put a couple of Halloween items in there. So can't wait to see those as well. So do you guys decorate for Halloween? Do you go all out, or do you just put a couple things on there? So leave me a comment below how you decorate for Halloween. You open it up and it's beautifully wrapped. And give me 1 second because I dumped it all over the floor. Cards in here, and I haven't unpacked my glasses yet. So I do have my Sherlock Holmes magnifying glass. And it says, "Hello, lovely. First off, thank you for supporting my small business." And I do love to support women-owned businesses, small businesses, even if they're small male-owned businesses. Everybody's got to start somewhere. And as usual, I worked with a couple of other small businesses as well. Some brands you might already know, to put this box together. Your box contains a mixture of beauty, self-care, and everyday essentials. I hope you enjoy this lovely fun-filled box as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Christina. So Christina, I'm so excited. Then we have another card here, and this is the spectacular box. And it has what's in the box. So we won't go through that right now. And then there's their card, Lovely Things box. And it's got their Instagram and all that information, which I will leave below. And of course I'm ripping open the paper. It does have purple tissue paper, so Sue with Reviews, if you're watching, it does have purple tissue paper because I know purple is her favorite color. So the first thing I pull out is Halloween, and look at how cute this is. And this is Scents by Alyssa, and it's cucumber melon. But look at the little pumpkin. So this must be a bar of soap. How cute is that? So now I have another Halloween decoration. I have salt and pepper shakers. And this is just so cute. And I'll go over the card that had everything in it at the end. Oh, more Halloween decorations. Oh, how cute is this? It's a lantern, and I bet you can put like a little tea light, and I have a ton of tea lights. And it doesn't say who this is by, so maybe it's on the card. But how cute is that? And, ooh. I'm excited to see what's in here. You gotta love the packaging so far. So, a 10 plus for packaging. Oh, my face itches. I was kind of hoping it was candy. And, oh, it might be. I'm trying not to just rip everything open just in case it's like breakable. So there's a bunch of whatever is in here. Oh, this is salsas. Is it something that goes in water? Just add water. So it's cranberry. It sounds like it's healthy something, so not mad at that. Oh, there's another one. Another cranberry. This is another cranberry, another cranberry. So I'm liking those. Oh, Swedish fish. Who doesn't like Swedish fish? Sour Patch Kids. Isn't it nice not to have little kids running around that you'd feel bad to and have to give them to? Pure sugar candy. Butterflies raspberry. My favorite is raspberry. I could do raspberry chocolate. Anything that's got raspberry in there wins my heart. So I'm thinking, do you just pop these raspberry butterflies like right in your mouth like vitamins? Nutritional facts. I can't believe this has any nutritional facts. But yeah. Okay, won me over. Oh. This must go into my pumpkin. Okay. And this is OMFG Cosmetics. OMFG, what does that stand for? Highlighter powder. Let's check this out. Highlighter. What a cute little package. Okay. That is good. Oh, to go with my other whipped sugar scrub, and it's Bite Me. And it's got the red on the bottom, I guess, for the Bite Me. Okay, okay, good. And then I got Lolita. I'm thinking this is a lipstick. Now this is a fun box because you know, I haven't received it before, but I don't think they really do the same box twice. So I'm liking this. And Medusa makeup. Here's the packaging. Wow. All I can say is wow. Because look at that color. I don't know if it's just because it's for Halloween or if this is just a year-round color, but I can't, yeah, it's not a Robin year-round color. Maybe it's just for Halloween. Okay, let me know if that's your year-round color, if it's your Halloween color. Then we got Rock Candy Finished Fast Drying Silky Setting Spray. And you can never get, oops, sorry, too much setting spray. And then it looks like we got Lavish eye brushes. And again, it's something else. And the reason I love getting eye brushes is because I try to wash, you know, makeup brushes and they just don't dry very good. So it's always nice to get eye brushes. I wash them like the first time before I use them, but then after I put like makeup on them, they just don't seem to wash very well. Ooh. And then we got some makeup. Wow, there's just a lot of good stuff in this box. And it's definitely a nice Halloween. I'm thinking that lipstick must be a good Halloween color. A Dash of Gold by Mora. Ooh. I mean, it's got a mirror, so I don't want to blind you. But these are really great colors. Like that top row, I would totally wear those colors. And a few on this bottom row, and they're not really shiny, so I can see why they sent the eye brushes again to go with this beautiful palette. So I'm running out of room here. Then we have Galactic, and actually I'm wearing Galactic. I got a bronzer in a box, and so I am wearing the Galactic bronzer. So yes, I've heard of this. And this is the Black Noir, and it must be eyeliner, precise eyeliner marker. So I definitely will use this. Wow, what a great box. Still a few more things. Everyday Okay. Oh, and it's by Face Story. So we got 2 masks. We got this one and we got this one. So to recap everything we got in this box, we got 2 face masks by, I think there's something else in there. Let's just jump ahead. There's something else in here. What a great box. There's definitely more than 5 to 7 products in this box. I think this is something else. I'm afraid I have scissors. I just don't want to cut into what's in here. Okay. Sorry. Oh. Oh my goodness. It's a handbag. And it's like my favorite color handbag. This is like a blush color, and it's got the handle. Wow. Okay. And it's got the card holder. So it's got this outer pocket. Okay, it's got the gold trimming. Now I'm a silver person, but when you get these type of bags, it really doesn't make a difference because it makes it a little bit more elegant. And then you have the inner pocket, and then you have your card and money slot, and then it's got this outer slot. How elegant is this handbag? I didn't even know it was in there. Wow. And I am so in love with this color. What, a wristlet, that's what it's called. A wristlet. So with the holidays coming up and just going out in general, well, if you can go out, but oh my God, this made the box. I mean, the box is perfect, but this is just, oh my God, I love this. So that was in here. So now let me start over. So we got this beautiful, but I better make sure there's nothing else in here. We got this beautiful wristlet, which pays for the box. I mean, if there was nothing else in this box, it paid for the box. And I better put these scissors away. We got 2 Face Story face masks, which I know these retail for like $3. And we got this eyeliner, the eyeshadow palette, and I am going to find that card because that would probably make life easier. And don't know what I did. Okay, so I'm just going to go by everything that was in this card, what it says on the card. So we got Everyday Essentials, 2 Cute to Spook Boutique, Coffin Necklace. I'm going to pause because I have to make sure I got everything. Okay, I'm going to recap everything because there was one missing item in here, and this is the coffin necklace. Okay, I guess I could wear this for Halloween. It must go with that lipstick. So Christina, you just outdid yourself in this box. So everything that we got in here, we got the Too Cute, Too Spooky Boutique was the coffin necklace, and that retailed for $9. Then we got the Simply Straw Beauty Peach Scented Tea Light Candle for $5.50, and that was, I guess, the one, sorry, we got the strawberry. It was by Simply Strawberry Beauty Company, Peach Scented Tea Light Candle. Oh, that was the little one that goes in the pumpkin, I think, and that was retails for $5.50. I don't know about paying $5.50 for one tea light, but Pretty Pockets wristlet colored. It varies, and that was $18, and I really like the color that I got. And that's worth $18. The pumpkin tea light holder is an extra item, so thank you for that. And then the beauty products, we got more Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I guess it varies in colors, was $14. The highlighter in Peach Lollipop was $20. The Galactic eyeliner was $20. Medusa's makeup lipstick, the shade varies. I guess I got the darkest. That was $14. The eyeshadow brush set was $29.99. Would I pay $29? Probably not. The Rock Candy Beauty Setting Spray, $29. Again, a little iffy there. The Self-Care Face Story, the Acai Beauty Mask was $2.50. The Moon Velvet Cream Mask was $3. Bite Me Body Scrub was $6. Scents by Elisa Cucumber Melon Scented Pumpkin Soap was $4. And then I guess the candy and all that was kind of a treat. So I did like this box. I thought they did an outstanding job with all the little goodies in there. So obviously everybody's box is different. Let me know your comments below what you thought about this box. If it's something that you'd like, again, I'm going to leave the link below. So if it's something that you'd like to order, go right ahead and make sure you let me know. So as always, have an awesome day and have a great Halloween.